Welcome to Authio OTP for Medform. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add secure email and mobile OTP verification to your Medform forms using Authio OTP for Medform. In this video, we'll cover the complete process from installation and configuration to enabling OTP on your form and testing it on the front end. Before installing Medform, make sure Elementor is installed, as Medform depends on Elementor to build forms. Install Elementor. Go to your WordPress dashboard plugins, add new. Search for Elementor website builder. Click install and then activate. Install Medform. Once Medform, click install and then activate. Now search for Authio OTP for Medform. Click install and activate. Once all three plugins are activated, we can move to the configuration process. After activating the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings section, you will see an option called Authio OTP for Medform. Click on it to open the plugin configuration page. At the top, you'll see the API Credentials section. Here, we need to enter three important details: App ID, Client ID, Client Secret. These credentials connect your website to your Authio account securely. To get these details, simply log into your Authio dashboard, open your application, and copy the App ID, Client ID, and Client Secret. Once copied, paste them into their respective fields here. After entering all three credentials, make sure everything is correct before moving forward. Country Selector Data. We have the Country Selector Data section. This controls the country drop-down that appears in the phone number field on your form. Here you can see cache status, number of countries loaded, last updated time. The plugin automatically fetches country data from the Authio API and refreshes it every 7 days. If needed, you can manually update the list by clicking Refresh Country List Now. This ensures your users always see accurate international dialing codes. Failsafe Protection. Below that, you'll see the Failsafe Protection section. This is an important feature. If your Authio wallet balance runs out, the plugin will automatically bypass OTP verification to ensure that your form submissions. This helps prevent any loss of leads or user submissions due to insufficient balance. Once everything is configured properly, click on Save Changes at the bottom. Now let's move to the Verification Methods tab. At the top, you will see the Enable OTP Channels section. Here, you can choose which verification methods you want to activate for your forms. Available options include email, SMS, WhatsApp, voice call. Simply check the channels you want to enable. Only the selected methods will be available for OTP verification on your forms. Phone OTP settings. Scroll down to the Phone OTP settings section. Primary phone OTP method. Here, you can select your primary OTP method. You can choose between SMS, WhatsApp, voice call. The selected option will be used first when sending OTPs to users. If the primary method fails, fallback options will be applied automatically. Allow visitor method choice. If this option is enabled, users can choose their preferred OTP method SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call immediately after entering their phone number. If this option is disabled, the system will automatically send OTP using the primary method first, and fallback options will appear only if the OTP is not received within the timeout period. Click Save Changes. Create a Medform form. Now go to Medform Forms, add new. Choose your preferred template or select blank form. Click Edit with Elementor to open the builder. In the form builder, drag and add the required fields. Name, Authio email, Authio phone. These fields automatically handle OTP sending and verification. After adding the fields, click Update or Publish. Enable OTP for the form. Go back to Authio OTP for Medform form integration. You'll see a list of your created Medform forms. Enable OTP for the form you just created by toggling the Enable option. Click Save Changes. Final testing. Now open the published form on the front end. Enter the name and email, then click Send Email OTP. Enter the received code to verify the email. Next, in the phone number section, you'll see a country drop-down on the left side. Select the correct country from the list. Each country includes its international dialing code, which will automatically apply. After entering the mobile number, click to send the OTP. Enter the received OTP to verify the number. Once both email and phone verification are successful, click Submit. The form will only submit after successful OTP verification. Now let's click on the Medform Entries tab. Go back to Authio OTP for Medform Entries tab. This section displays all form submissions after successful OTP verification. Every time a user completes email and phone verification and submits the form, the entry will automatically appear here. This ensures that only verified and genuine submissions are recorded. When a user enters their phone number, we first send the OTP by SMS. If they don't receive the SMS, they just need to wait for the timer to finish. After the timer expires, the fallback system starts. They will then see an option, Didn't receive OTP? Try another method. They can choose another way to get the OTP. WhatsApp, voice call. If SMS doesn't work, they can quickly switch to another method and complete the verification. This makes the process simple, smooth, and user-friendly. That's how our fallback system makes sure users can always verify their OTP successfully. Complimentary credits. Authio provides a complimentary $1 credit, allowing you to send 500 plus email OTPs to get started. Once the complimentary balance is fully utilized, you can easily purchase additional credits to continue sending OTPs without interruption. That's it. Your Medform form is now fully secured with Authio OTP verification. Thank you for watching.